Hey guys, I just ordered this new calculator in the mail, and it came in this cool zebra wrap, and I thought that, oh, this must be a pretty cool one. So I decided to review it, and do an unboxing tutorial. So I'm gonna go ahead and unwrap it really quickly. Okay, so looks like that's what I got. That's what I wanted. It's the CM Storm uh, Devastator calculator. You can see here, it looks like it's made in China. It's always good when it's made in China. It means it's quality. So yeah, let's take a look at it. So this calculator does need a power source to work, so we're gonna go ahead and unwrap it. You're gonna want one of these cubes right here. I'll show you in a second after I untangle this. Basically, like right here. You can buy these at like Dick's or something, any electrical outlet place. Basically, you're just gonna wanna plug it in there. So just do this. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you the keyboard actually lights up for a second when you do that. It tells you it's turning on. So yeah, there's that. Now I'm gonna show you the buttons on the calculator. They're kind of really hard to see, but I like it that way, so it challenges my vision. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and yeah, that's 9. Here we have the plus for, addition. There's a minus right here. It's hard to see because minus is negative, and you don't want to do negative things. So that's for subtracting. This is to like move between numbers or up and down from numbers. Oh, there's 0. I forgot that one too. Ooh, that's a good one too. That's delete in case you hit the wrong number. So yeah, this calculator comes with a lot of other buttons because it is one of the highest quality calculators in the internet today. So, as we all know, the most recent calculators you can type on. So you have the whole array right here for like, spelling out funny words in class. So that's pretty good. Yeah. It's like A's right there and G's right there and so on. Space is for like if you want to skip a number and then hit another number. So I could do like 2 space 5, and then it wouldn't be 25, it'd be 2 and then 5. So we have some cooler buttons over here. Control is the button for controlling. The new math function they just invented is you can control. I'll get back to that. I forget what that does. This button right here is actually the newest quick button edition. You know how they like plus and minus. Oh, here's time, by the way. I forgot about that one. This is basically just the square root of 4, which I think is 2. But yeah, it's useful because sometimes you don't want to always, hit 2. You want to do that. So, well, here we have the function buttons. These do special things, or functions. And what I mean by that is you can save like a function, like if you want to save like 2 plus y as the variable, it'll save that in F1 and so on. What else do we have here? Oh yes, this button. One of the most important buttons on the keyboard. This is how you turn it on and off when you plug it in. So I'm going to turn it on. And now it's on. And then it's off. So there's that. Let's see what else. There's a lot here to cover, guys. There's an exclamation point right here. Now you don't want to. These are alternate number buttons right here. So just across the top, in case you're tired of using the little cubicle version of those. So the exclamation point is the the 1 times 2 times 3 times 4. You gotta hit that and then hit the number, and it does like times each other in the order, And then here's the fast forward button. If you like went up, like you go back this way and forward that way, so you can see like, for example, if I do 2 plus 2 and then a whole bunch of other things, and I want to see I forget what 2 plus 2 is, I can go all the way back. So it's useful. Here is also, that's just on there for decoration. And so is that one too, so don't worry about those. Oh, this is a very important one. No, I was just kidding, those aren't important. And caps, I said I was going to go back to, but that's also not important. Oh, and here's the divide button, and the plus and the minus, and the alternate times button. Remember X is the regular one, but you might want to use this one. And insert, ooh, that's a good one. And if you want to like put a number in between 2 numbers or something like that, you gotta do insert right there. It is below the 0 button. Every time you press one of these buttons, it's gonna do 2 things because it has 2 things on the button. Except for 5, that won't do anything because it only has 1 thing on the button. So remember, 2 times on the button, then 2 things will happen, but only one thing will happen. So yeah, it's I'd say it's working out pretty well for me, besides the fact that maybe it doesn't have a screen, but it helps me, so I recommend it.